Symfony tutorial. Creating a controller and linking views. Hi everyone, in this video we dive into Symfony development step by step. Let's start by exploring the PHP bin console make controller command, which automates the creation of controllers. As shown, we choose blog controller as controller name. Watch as I demonstrate the process of generating a new controller file. Now we can run our Symfony application locally through the command Symfony serve. As shown, you see information about the server and the URL where our Symfony application is accessible locally. We can then open that URL in our web browser to interact with our Symfony application during development. Oops, this is the Symfony web page. Now, we have access to the /blog route, and this is the outcome produced by the code present in the index.html.twig file. We have the ability to make modifications in the index.html.twig file and observe the changes in the browser. Then, we aim to display our blog controller as the initial page without requiring the addition of /route. We can achieve this by merely eliminating the term route from the @route code, as shown, making it directly accessible. We have the option to employ a Bootstrap theme from the Bootswatch website. As you can observe, there are numerous themes available, and we can select our preferred theme from the available options. Here, we opt for the Cerulean theme. Following that, to integrate this theme into our project, we click on the Cerulean dropdown. Subsequently, we choose bootstrap.min.css, open it in a new tab, access the link, and copy it for use. Access the Style Sheets block, and generate a tag link by pasting the copied URL. Now, let's attempt to utilize the navbar. To accomplish this, click on the double angle brackets and CPOI the relevant code. Afterward, paste it into the body block. We can preview the outcome in the browser. Oh, look, the navbars are now visible, allowing us to proceed with further design updates. We can incorporate an image here by utilizing its source. Earlier, I established a directory called images within the public folder. I placed the logo image inside the images folder and employed the URL to insert the image. Here, we include a link to request a code. To implement this, we navigate to our blog controller, generate a new route/quote with the name request_quotes, and establish a new function that returns the result as an HTTP response. Following that, Symfony renders the designated twig template, which is quote.html.twig. We must generate a new file named quote.html.twig and modify its content. Initially, we include extends base.html.twig to maintain a consistent theme. Then, we adjust the title to, for instance, request a quote. Following that, we update the body block. In the final step, we modify the link by appending the path to request_quotes, and we observe the outcome in the browser. That concludes the process. Stay tuned for additional information. Thank you for watching.